Here's a 2018 GMC ACADIA. It's just what you need in a full-size crossover. A large and impressive interior with functional carrying capability. It's well equipped with features you need. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and automatic transmission. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.